Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of compact and versatile tech gadgets with a detailed look at the small rechargeable Bluetooth keyboard. This keyboard, designed by Waiktyne, is a game-changer for anyone seeking seamless connectivity and comfortable typing experience across various devices. Let's break down its features and functionalities. First up, let's talk about connectivity. The small rechargeable Bluetooth keyboard offers a stable Bluetooth connection, allowing you to connect to your devices within a range of up to 10 meters, or 33 feet. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to wireless freedom. Speaking of devices, this keyboard is compatible with a wide range of products. Whether you're using an iPad, iPhone, MacBook, Samsung Galaxy Tab, or any Bluetooth-enabled device, this keyboard has got you covered. Plus, it supports operating systems like Windows, iOS, Android, and more. Now, let's talk about comfort. The keyboard features responsive scissor switch keys that offer a smooth and accurate typing experience. Its low-profile ergonomic design ensures comfortable typing for extended periods, making it ideal for work, study, or leisure. And what about portability? Well, this keyboard shines in that department too. Its ultra-thin and lightweight design make it perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're traveling, working from home, or in the office, you can easily slip it into your bag and take it anywhere. Now, let's address battery life. With its built-in rechargeable battery, this keyboard offers long-lasting performance. Fully charged in just 2 to 3 hours, it can be used for approximately 60 hours on a single charge. Plus, it automatically enters sleep mode after 10 minutes of inactivity to save power. In conclusion, the small rechargeable Bluetooth keyboard is a versatile and reliable companion for all your typing needs. Whether you're writing emails, taking notes, or browsing the web, this keyboard delivers a seamless experience across multiple devices. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up our review of the small rechargeable Bluetooth keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more informative content. Until next time, happy typing!